Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video I've showed you guys how to press B, and before that I've showed you guys how to press A. In this video I will show you how to press C. And of course it is on a laptop keyboard. So how to press C? Over here, as you can see, this is the laptop keyboard, this whole thing, and over here you can see there's the C button. Now let's see what happens if we press C. See? The alphabet C also is on the display. Let's try it once again. It works. Now, it seems like this C is a small c. It's not a capital C. So, if you want to write capital C as like this in the keyboard, hold this button called Shift, hold this and press C. Oh, here it is. Look at it. It's a capital C. Let's try it once again. Hold Shift and C. It works. Now if you're too lazy to hold a button, just press this button called Caps Lock and C. Now, a lot of keyboards may not have this white light on the laptop keyboard, so you just have to make sure that, like, if you see it's a capital C and want to turn it into a small c, then just press it back again and then press C. It's back to small. And if you want to make it capital again, then just press Caps Lock and C, or just Shift C. That's it for the video. Hope you guys will like it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.